you have something completely unique in your van. I think you will have never seen anything like this, folks. You're going to be really amazed. All right, everyone, welcome back to my next video. And today we are here with Tanya. Hi, Tanya.
Hi.
Welcome to the channel.
Yes, yes.
And you are in a very nice, this is a Chrysler?
No, this is a Dodge Grand Caravan.
That's nice.
2010.
2010. Good. Very, very good. And it's been treating you well so far?
Very well.
And how long have you been on the road?
2 years.
2 years.
Exactly, 2 years.
Good. So
February.
You're getting some time built up, and you're glad you've done it so far?
Yes, I love it.
What's your motivation to become a nomad?
Well, I was in an apartment. I didn't like the pricing, and I figured, well, you know what? After my lease is up, I'm going to move into an RV. But I didn't get qualified for it. And I just began to see videos of people living in their vehicles, minivans. I was like, what? So I went to purchase a minivan. And it's paid off. And as soon as my lease was up, I moved right into my van. And that's it.
Been on the road ever since?
Yes, I have. So I'm basically an urban boondocker.
Oh, so you are mostly in towns?
Yes.
And probably around family?
No.
No, just anywhere?
Anywhere, basically. But I am in southern, like, Alabama.
So you are basically a stealth camper.
Yes, I am.
And have you gotten the knock?
One time when I was at Planet Fitness, a 24-hour Planet Fitness on my way in Michigan somewhere, and that was the only time. But that was it. Yeah.
And so you haven't had any problems finding places to park?
Nope.
Or with...
I have an app where it lets me know, and I receive other reviews of others who have parked there, stealth camped and stuff like that. So, and I just joined in.
What's the app that you're using?
RV Parky.
Okay.
That's the one I mainly use.
And so a lot of the obvious questions. How do you go take showers? You go to Planet Fitness.
You know what? I go to Planet Fitness, but I do have a portable shower.
Oh.
So I have my little portable shower here.
And so you're retired and you're just enjoying your retirement.
I am.
Very, very good.
I am.
Okay. So why don't we take a look around in your van?
Okay. No problem.
Let's do that. And so here we're inside, and wow, this is really unusual. Tell us about this.
All right, so I am part of a Facebook minivan group, and everyone shows their builds and stuff. So a few of them have children's kitchens, but this one here just worked out for me perfectly. And so I just plugged it in, and that's it. I use all my cabinets. I took their sink out, put my own collapsible sink. I have my water dispenser there. And everything else I use exactly everything. So
this is, at one time, someone probably went down to Toys R Us and bought this for their child.
Yeah, yeah.
And you got it on Facebook?
Market.
Oh, wow.
I sure did.
So you got it used?
Yes.
And good grief, it looks like it was built for this van.
Yeah, yeah. It's perfect. I love it.
Well, you're fortunate that these Dodges, the seats fold so flat.
Well, I took all my seats out.
Oh, you did take them out.
All my seats are out, except for my driver's, of course. And that's
right.
it.
Oh, yeah, you don't even have a front seat.
I don't.
Wow. Yeah, that gives you just an enormous amount of room back here.
Oh, yeah.
And so there's a piece of plywood down there then.
Yes, I did put this plywood in myself, the floor itself, and that's the only thing I built. I tried to build with everything else, but it just didn't work out for me. So I just needed to find something to plug and play to fit, and it works out.
I can't imagine anything working better than that.
I also have storage here.
Oh, yeah, because where the seats were.
Yeah, that's where the seats were. I have it underneath the sink as well. So, but I have to go through here to get there. I have it under here as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I love that. I can't believe it. So, if someone else is interested, all they got to do is watch for used children's kitchens.
There you go. That's what you do.
I wonder if you can still buy them.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You can still go buy these?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
You can find them any and everywhere.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
That's so nice. I can't.
Some people may not use the whole thing. They may take some out, depending on how they're set up, what they want. But yeah, it works perfectly for me. Everything. It's
cute and extremely functional.
It is.
And it's well enough made that it's not falling apart with the vibrations. Right. Okay, and then let's look around at what else you got in here.
All right, so this here is my shelf.
Oh, that's really a nice one. That's just a piece of furniture you had, or?
Well, off Facebook Market. Facebook. This is a folding shelf, actually, and I turned it around. That way everything can stay inside. Whereas, so everything stays in. This is where all my clothes are. It's waterproof bags because I've had issues with condensation.
Yes.
And so I wanted everything to be waterproof. Even my pillows, my pillowcases, my mattress, my sheets, they're all waterproof. So I have no issues with condensation whatsoever.
Right.
Yeah.
Very good. And you've got the power station.
I do. It's my power station, VTOman. And if I just need to charge it, I go to the library. So I don't have any solar.
And when you drive, it charges while you drive?
No.
Oh, it doesn't?
Nope. 1500 watt. So, like I said, once the power goes, I just go to the library and charge it. That's it.
Nice. And where does your bed go?
This is my bed. These are my pillows. So it was a tri-fold mattress.
Right.
So I took one out because I'm not that long. I don't need it. And so now during the day, I close it. And when I'm ready to go to bed, I open it up. So it comes out to about here. Yeah.
And you kind of just sleep kitty corner.
No, it comes straight out.
Straight out. And that's long enough for you. Mm-hmm. That's all that counts.
Yeah. And this is my sleeping bag. And this here is my beauty cabinet. So I have all my hygiene stuff in here. So yeah.
It's really remarkable how very, very simple, but really effective this is.
Yeah, I love it. This is my chair, my folding chair. So when I want to sit, meditate, read my Bible, that's what I do.
Nice.
Sit here during the day.
Yeah. Really remarkable.
Oh yeah, I love it. It's comfortable. It's very roomy as well. So I don't feel claustrophobic or anything like that. I have a lot of space.
Nice. Really, really, really nice. Very, very impressive. And you bought this and everything else you kind of had.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, you've got very little money invested. Do you mind if I ask how much the kids' kitchen was?
Well, okay, so the price ranges, but I pay $75 for this, but I've seen it as low as $15.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. And it all depends on where you get it from, who's selling it, and how much they feel that it's worth. But yeah, I ended up paying $75 for it.
Oh, that's pretty remarkable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I paid like $75 for this. Yeah. This is my shelving.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
sure gives you a nice organization and storage.
It does. I love it.
And that's the crucial thing in the tiny space.
Mm-hmm.
And of course we have a pretty good idea what that is.
Yes, we do.
No instructions necessary.
None.
All right.
Yeah. So when I'm ready to get my day done, get started on my day, conduct my hygiene, get my sink in. I sit here. And I have enough room. So I didn't have a console here. I had a huge console and it just so happened, it just came off. It came off. So I went to except for one screw. So I went to an audio specialist for him to take it off, but I wanted to keep all my ACs and heat and lights. So he worked it. He took everything out, but yet we kept everything in. So and I just covered it with fleece and a little design here.
Very pretty. Yeah. Yeah. It's in a nice, really nice total design.
Yeah.
So it has a really wonderful feel in here.
Oh, I'm glad.
It really does. Very comforting, very welcoming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it makes you happy when you wake up in the morning.
And yeah, I sure would.
It's like color.
Yeah.
And I do have some storage in the back, my little garage, so I can show that to you.
Yeah, let's take a look at that. Oh, yeah. Where the seat used to be. No, the spare was probably down there. No,
I had seats. I had 2 seats here.
Right.
And then I cut this one open too because of that. So I can get in here as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, lots of room.
Yeah, so this is where I put my shower stuff when I'm ready to shower. Foldix. Collapsible shower.
There's just your bed. Yeah, I see. It goes much further back than it seemed like inside.
Oh, yeah.
So just rolling it out, you've got a plenty length.
It had a space.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
My water jug. It was perfect.
Again, it was like they designed it for us.
Just for me. That's perfect.
Yeah. That is great.
Yeah.
That is really, really great.
Then this is my front seat. So this is a cart. And then I just got this a couple days ago. So this is a A cooler.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Cooler, my gym bag, and all my shoes. I don't wear my shoes in the back at all. So I take my shoes off when I go to the back.
So after 2 years, and it seems like you just got your van built really nicely, really easily. What would you say to the people who are watching who are afraid to go or they're just not sure? Do you have words of wisdom for them?
Just try it. You know, it doesn't hurt. You know, take maybe a weekend or so. Even start in your driveway. Start in your driveway, in the vehicle. You know, put some things together in your vehicle and just stay in your van and just boondock. You know, see what it feels like, and then eventually maybe take a day or two, an additional third day or so.
Right.
But it's great. It's awesome, and then you meet great people, lots of great people, wonderful people. Yeah.
That's the thing that has always surprised me is just how you meet wonderful, wonderful people.
Yeah.
So you don't have solar, and I guess because on the roof would be kind of give you away. You know, a solar panel is obvious to anyone that is looking.
Well, that's my next focus. I will be getting like a folded solar panel.
Uh-huh.
So I can put it like on my window or put it on the side here when I'm, boondocking or so. But for the most part, I don't have it. No.
You just go to the library and charge it up there.
Right. For right now, that's what I did.
So it works good.
Yeah, and I don't cook. I just got a butane stove.
Oh, uh-huh.
So I may start little by little, but for the most part, I just go out to eat. Yeah. But I budget myself so that I'm good for the month,
Right. Yeah. And Alabama can be cold too, surprisingly cold.
Yes, it can.
And has that been a problem for you?
Yes, it's hot and cold. So
right.
I do realize when it's hot, I can't take the heat anymore. It's to a point where I have to actually go up north. And then when it's cold, I'm out here in the west. So I just missed the snow coming from, was it on 20? Fort Worth, Texas, and all that. So I just barely missed it, and I came here, and it's still a little chilly, but it's okay. It's okay. I can handle that.
Right. Yeah. That's all it is. It's chilly. That's all.
Yeah.
You put on a couple of extra blankets, and you're fine.
Mm-hmm. I have a 0-degree sleeping bag, and then have a little bit extra, at night. I'm good.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Great. Seems like you've just got a wonderful life you've developed for yourself.
Yes. It is a wonderful life. I love it. Sometimes people question why. I'm like, this is the best ever. Okay? No attachments. You're not attached to anything. You can just get up and go wherever.
It's as close to true freedom as a human can have anymore.
It is.
I think.
Great freedom.
Yeah.
Great freedom, and I love it.
Yeah. Well, I'm sure glad it's worked out so well for you. You've just done a fantastic job with it.
I appreciate that.
Really, really nice.
Hopefully everyone else likes it too.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this is something I don't think anyone will have ever seen. So what a great idea. So if you're in a minivan, just start looking for kids' kitchens.
There you go.
Yeah. Nice.
And a shelf.
And a shelf. You're golden.
Yes.
Well, Tanya, thank you so much for sharing your home with us and just your joy of living. It just comes across in you that you're loving your life and you love to share it too. So thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
So folks, if you got anything out of this video, and I know you did, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll talk to you later. Bye now.